Hey everybody, we're going to Palmetto Island State Park today. I hope y'all enjoy the trip as much as we will. These are Louisiana rice fields with crawfish traps in them. This is all cypress trees in here.
This is kind of a cypress swamp, just nothing but cypress trees. And these little things that are sticking out of the ground are called knees, cypress knees. Mom was saying her uncle used to make lamps out of those knees. He cut them off, drill a hole in them, and make a lamp. They're real pretty, they stand. That is palmettos, guys. That is what the park is named after, Palmetto. They also used to use that like kubu, bamboo. They would use that for the roof on houses.
Mom was saying that when she was young, they used to take and split the palmetto leaves and weave them together to make fly swatters to keep the flies off the horses when they were riding at Palmetto Island State Park.
Too bad the water's not on.
Guys, this is a splash pad. That's one of the things nice about this park. Families can come here and play. It's got water all over the place in the summer. It's really nice. And if you see, they got picnic tables all on the edge. If y'all can see this guy, Palmetto Nature Trail. There's a really nice trail here that you can walk. There's a diagram of the park. It's really cool. I've walked it all many times. This will get you a view of the swamp. Those are the palmettos that the park is named after. I don't know if you can see them real good. The light.
It has water in it.
Yeah, it does. It's really pretty when it's got water.
Hey folks, we're having a blast. I forgot to tell my face I was having a blast.
What's that?
I said we're having a blast, and I said, oops, I forgot to tell my face we're having a blast.
Seeing it's got water?
Yeah, I see that.
That's cypress trees. See the water? See, I got little chairs. Hear that? Nothing.
Lord's heard the hogs, but he never saw them.
What do you think, Dole?
I'm enjoying myself and I'm enjoying the sights.
Mom's wanted to do this with me and my brother since we were little, and she's finally getting the opportunity to go all over the state with us. So what is it like, Mom, to finally get to go all over the state with me and Doll?
It's late coming, but it's real nice.
Isn't this nice out here?
I was hoping one of the hogs would come drink while you were filming.
It's not afraid at all. It's not afraid at all. Guys, this is where I'm gonna have to get another camera. There are some wild hogs. If y'all can see that box, that wood box for the wood ducks, there's some wild hogs right there. I hear them. See the crashing in the weeds? They're right there. But my phone will not zoom in enough to capture them even if they come out. Man, I was hoping y'all would be able to see armadillos and wild hogs. Sorry about the wind noise. This is where I came out with a kayak, if you remember, the canoes. Guys, there's some wild hogs right there. I can see the weeds moving, but I know that I'm not getting close enough for y'all. Guys, I don't know if you can see that. I can see it. There's a pig, little pig. Oh, it just went back under the bushes. Heard it grunt. Hey guys, what's up? We thought we'd bring you in the swamp. I've been walking out here before. I don't know if I can hold the camera very steady, but there we go. There's my brother. We'll give you a picture. Okay guys, what did y'all think?
It's great. I've been here before, but it's been a long time, but I forgot half the stuff they have here.
Yeah.
I think I like the water slides the best.
Go.
I found it very nice. I enjoyed the scenery, I enjoyed nature, I even enjoyed seeing the armadillo, the pigs. Although I didn't get a clear view of the pigs, but I had a lot of fun.
Look, I want you to pan around, guys, let y'all see what we're at. We're in the middle of the swamp. It's dry right now, but that's what we're at. Just the middle of the swamp. Hope I'm not going too fast. Doing this with my hands.
Peaceful and quiet.
It's extremely peaceful and quiet, so I love it out here. Hey guys, I'm having a blast. I hadn't been out here in a long time. I got to share it with my mom and my brother, and which is absolutely wonderful. Got to use my Christmas present, the GoPro 7. We're gonna see how that film comes out, and glad y'all got to come along. Hey guys, Lawrence. I'm end of the day, as you can tell. There's a kayak, I just gotta put it up. If you notice, it's sun starting to set. We had a great day. Thanks for joining us. Bye. Hey, like, share, and subscribe.